Ooh, that looks good. Bottoms up. What's going on, everybody? My name is John Serwin, and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this. A great way to use leftovers, a classic meatloaf sandwich. Served on rye bread with a little bit of that glaze, some mayo, pickles, tomato, onions. I'll show you the techniques and how it's done coming up. Stay tuned. Hey, remember that meatloaf made not too long ago? Well, let's go ahead and make one of my favorite leftover meals, which is a meatloaf sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead with a pretty nice thick slice, maybe about 1 inch thick. We have 2 pieces of rye bread, and we're gonna toast those up. We have some of that leftover reduced glaze, and I have some mayonnaise. We're gonna go in with about a tablespoon, or you know what, tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and give that a mix together, and this will be our sauce. This is a great little something to do with the leftovers kind of thing. If you don't want to eat meatloaf again, I love this. So see you over at the stovetop. Oh, I also have some onion and tomato sliced up because we'll be putting that on the sandwich. We're going to bring our largest ceramic coated frying pan to some medium heat. I was thinking about butter in these, but I don't think I want to. I'm going to throw these in my toaster. If you wanted to butter them, feel free, but yeah, I'm going to go old school, just toaster. I feel like I could get maybe another slice. We're going to get that on down and just heat her up, get a little bit of a crust on each side. We are going to go ahead. I'm going to do 2. Why not? Go ahead, give her a flip. Oh yeah, looking beautiful. I'm going to throw a cover on here. Let her cook for about a good 2 to 3 minutes just to warm through. While our meatloaf is finishing warming on through, our bread is done. So we're going to go ahead and get this prepped up. Throw on a little bit of that Mayo-glaze. Hey, that sounds fun, right? Mayo-glaze. I like making up words. About a tablespoon on each side. Next, we're going to go down with, we have tomatoes. You know what? I'm going to put the tomatoes on top. I'm going to put down the onions. We're going to throw some pickles on this side. This is just some kosher dill pickle. I'm not going to go bread and butter pickle this time because the glaze is already sweet enough. Time to retrieve our meatloaf. Actually, I guess one would have done. That's fine. We're going to do that. See? Live and learn. Someone else can enjoy a delicious, delicious meatloaf sandwich. Get our tomato on down there. I sometimes like tomato on my burgers, sometimes not. Not saying that this is a burger, but it's a pretty cool sandwich. We're going to go ahead and close around up. Try not to lose any of the pickles. And whoop! I think we did good. All right, I'm going to give her a cut, show you guys what she looks like. All right, and there you have it, folks. Just a classic meatloaf sandwich. You know, it's just a way to use some of the leftovers. Growing up, my mom, stay-at-home mom, she would probably cook, I'd say 4 or 5 nights out of the week. And then it was like potluck. You just ate leftovers. That's actually where I came up with some creative ways to eat things. You know, like, hey, figure out what's in there and let's clean out the fridge and make something out of it. You can make a delicious meatloaf sandwich. You can slice it thin. I like it sliced thick. Some guys slice it thin, put it on a Toronto roll. I personally like rye bread. You can, sky's the limit. You could use American cheese. I just went with some of that leftover glaze, threw a little mayo in with it, and then just went classic onion, pickle, and tomato. I don't exactly want it like a burger because it's a meatloaf sandwich. It's just a way to change things up and spice it up a bit. So anyway, nothing left to do but give it the old official taste tests. Ooh, that looks good. Bottoms up. Oh. That brininess of the pickle, that caraway seed of the rye bread, the creaminess, sweetie tanginess of that mayonnaise and glaze sauce. Plus you get that tomato and you get the onion. It's just all these flavor combinations play together so well. You know you're not eating a burger. You know you're not eating a patty melt. You are eating a meatloaf sandwich because that highly, highly seasoned up slice of meatloaf is phenomenal in there. I've even done it as easy as mayonnaise, tomato, bread, meatloaf. But sky's the limit. Do what you want with it. It's just a great way to use the leftovers. I don't know about you. I am a big leftover guy. Let me know in the comments below. Are you team leftovers or do you end up just pretty much throwing out your leftovers? Not me. Grew up, can't waste any food. That's probably why I say this body's no accident. You know, clean plate club, you always had to finish everything that was on your plate and couldn't waste any food, especially what was in the fridge. So you had to eat everything. Let me know. Have you guys ever eaten a meatloaf sandwich? It's pretty awesome. This is how I like to have it. It's hitting all the right notes for me. I think it's fantastic and oh, lovely. So thanks for coming by, guys. And just remember, you're only making food out of ingredients till you sit down and share them with the ones you love. Then it's a meal. This was a little bit of a different and quicker video to show you, hey, this is how we could use some leftovers. If you liked it, go ahead and YouTube thinks you'll like this video, give this one a shot. And I'm going to put one over here that I think you'll like. So why don't you give both of them a shot and comment below which one you like better. And always feel free to hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, greatly appreciate it. This has been a wild ride, and I love being on it with you guys. So I'm going to keep doing this, and yeah, let's keep having some fun. All right, guys, till next time.